Hello, students. Today I am coming back to the class with a new topic. Today's topic is seasons. So, first we have to learn that what is the weather. Weather is a state of atmosphere around us. And that's why we see different states of atmosphere. It's like sometimes we see devastating storm. It's also inside a season. That storm can devastate everything. Look, everything the storm is devastating through its power. It's also a force of nature. Again, we can see that snow is falling everywhere, cold and cold everywhere. With the cold weather, we see that the little particles of little ice flakes are falling down and cover up the surroundings. So it's completely different from the devastating storm, where storm is devastating everything with its powerful wind. Here we see in the winter time, everywhere is a cool, cold weather is keeping around us. Sometimes we can see that in a place no rain is falling and creates sand and sand everywhere. If you go to desert, you can see this type of weather everywhere, very hot and no rains. Again, if you go in a place like Cherrapunji Mosindram, these places in the throughout the whole day, rain is falling down, making dripping sound. Pitter patter raindrops all time is falling. So we see that everywhere in surrounded us in a whole year, different seasons. And after the huge rainfalls, after too much hot in the summertime, after winter time, autumn time, then we can see a pleasant, delicate weather. When we can see everywhere different colorful flowers are blooming. And for getting the nectar from the flowers, small bees, butterflies, they are also coming and taking nectar from the flowers and making their nests. So it looks at that time, nature looks very pretty and very delicate. It's not too hot, not too cold. It's a pleasant weather is prevailing everywhere. It's called springtime. So now it's the question that why there are so much variations in the weather, in this weather that makes the season. There will be one answer, that the revolution of earth. That will be discussed in the next part. So from this part, few questions are there in this worksheet. Try to solve this worksheet by taking a screenshot, and you can send me for checking or for your understanding.